Motorsports at Burns Brothers Performance. Let's start with the shout out to the sweatshirt sponsors.
Oh, yeah.
We got Bruce's Garage here, Oregon City, Oregon. Bring Bruce all your old classic cars. Every time I'm in there, he's got like 3 different new, Cadillac, Ford, Chevy.
He works on everything.
Yeah, if it's like a whatever, I don't even know if he's got a limit, but 1972 and older, bring it to Bruce. He can fix you up. What do you got there?
I've got TNT Motorsports, David Thompson out of McMinnville. Really great guy. He's a racer. Known him for a number of years. He's got a great group of guys out there. Big automotive shop. They do motorcycle, ATV. I think they did motorhome stuff at one time. I'm not sure if he's still doing it. They did transmission stuff. I think he sold the transmission shop, but yeah, he's got one big building there, and he's got it all housed in one building.
And a bumper dragon 67 Chevelle.
Yeah.
It's going to be back out this year.
Yeah, I saw the new build for that. It's it's going to be a nice car. So.
Yeah, it's not just motorsports and restoration here. It's also fashion. So yeah, shout out to the to the wardrobe sponsor.
Yeah.
So what are we doing? We are back here with the SinPala.
Oh yeah.
George is going to fill us in. This thing was actually assembled this morning. It's the afternoon, Sunday afternoon. So George, took his Sunday off and disassembled this thing completely. So we'll show you that.
Yeah, so basically pulled the whole front end off the car, all the sheet metal, front bumper, and that front bumper is got some serious weight to it, by the way.
Oh yeah.
I did my table trick, so
Nice.
I was able to pull the bumper off on myself.
Using the hoist?
Yeah, in the table, yep. So I did that, and then pulled the fenders off and everything, and then pulled the transmission out, pulled the engine out. We're just gonna kind of show you what I'm doing to this now and prep for the next step. So
yeah, it hasn't had a whole lot done to it. A little bit of a layer of dust. You ready for that beer, aren't you?
Yeah.
Sunday fun day. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna take you around this thing. It is dusty. Something tells me when it leaves here, it won't be.
It will not be.
Cheers. Stick around. We'll give you close-ups of what's happening here. All right, Operation SinPala.
Yeah. So the plan is basically to get this firewall and front end all cleaned up, and then the new bars that Justin put in here will all get painted after I'm just going to fill some holes on the firewall. I think this was where the old wiring harness was coming through, and there's like a bracket on the backside for the MSD box. I'm probably going to put some fasteners on the backside there, weld it so that way you don't see the screws through the firewall. But just get it all cleaned up and get it painted satin black. Scott's specified satin black, so we'll get that all done up, and I'll probably do my detailed trick on some of the steering components, do them cast iron gray. Other than that, it's in really good shape. This front half of the frame was actually powder coated. Scott powder coated at one time, so I'm basically just going to touch up where it was ground on for the welding and scuff the rest, and then use that SEM trim black, which matches the black powder coat. And then I've got a couple other pieces on the front of the car that will get powder coated as well. So got this, get this all cleaned up. I actually ordered a bunch of fittings and fuel lines today to plumb the fuel system. So after the engine goes back in it, I'll get the fuel system in it and the brake lines and all that stuff. We're getting closer on this thing. I know it looks like we're getting further away because I took it all apart, but it was all part of the plan, part of the process.
Yep.
So everything's it's moving forward. It took a little bit. I had some other projects in here I had to get taken care of, so we're getting back on this thing, and it won't hit the track April like we were talking about, but it will be this year for sure. So looking forward to it.
Yeah, there's a lot of the big fab work has been done. So obviously after you're done, still going to get some wiring done, maybe some header tweaks.
Yeah, so one of the headers needs to be reworked a little bit. It's a little close to the control arm, so we'll get that redone. And then it's going to Scott Davis in Malino to get wired.
Chassis cert?
Yep. Header rework. And I think that's about it. The parachute mount's all on it, so that's all done. The handle's in it for the parachute. Got the big giant steering wheel.
Yeah, we love that.
I'm not sure what Scott plans on doing, if he's gonna put a headliner in it, or I know I have front door panels for it, but I don't know about back door panels. There's probably some trim pieces that go here. I haven't seen those.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna have to get together, see what else he's got left at home, and we'll get the rest of this thing buttoned up for him. Still trying to figure out what we're gonna do with this. Because these are still on the car.
I thought he was putting those, he was gonna
Put the antennas back in
put
it?
the antennas back in
Okay.
it. That's what I recall.
Yeah, I know he has new bezels and gaskets.
Yeah.
So I haven't seen the antennas yet.
No, we're looking forward to seeing this thing go. This is a beautiful, big American iron Impala.
He did talk about maybe at some point in time putting some fiberglass on this car. So
Okay.
that'll be a good step in the right direction.
Yeah. I don't even want to know what this thing's gonna weigh when it's all done.
Somebody asked me yesterday what I thought this car weighed, and I'm guessing it probably is about, I'm gonna say 38.
Okay, I was assuming it'd start with a 4. But
Think so?
we'll see. It's a pretty big car.
Maybe we'll have to do a poll.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, he did take the interior out of it, so there's that.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
And who knows how heavy the original sheet metal was in the back.
Right.
But
No, all the components. That big bad 1400, 1200, 1100.
1193.
Okay. Big bad 632, and look at those headers. Spaghetti.
Yeah.
All
And,
numbered, ready to go back in place.
Look at that 200-pound front bumper.
Oh yeah, no kidding. And the and the dusty
Speaking of the
parts.
dust,
Yeah.
you can tell this car's been sitting a while.
Yeah,
There's a little dust on the.
yeah. There's the bumper down there. Yeah, it's a monster.
Yeah, that big metal brace in there. I'm really thinking we can delete that. I'm
Yeah.
gonna try to talk the owner out of that one, or I just won't put her back in.
Actually, yeah. Just don't tell him.
Yeah, he'll never know.
He probably won't watch this. He'll never make it to this point in the video.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks, George. We'll be back for more with the SinPala. Cheers.